So what if I told you that someone in Nigeria is making dollars from renting out their voice? Or another is getting paid to test websites for just 10 minutes a day. I'm sure you think it sounds strange, right? But it's happening. In this video, I would share 5 unconventional side hustles that Nigerians are cashing out on and how you can join them, okay? So stick around because hustle number 5 will blow your mind. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Favor Chinazo here again. So if you're tired of hearing the same old do Fiverr, do affiliate marketing stuff, this video is for you. Today, we are diving into unique, practical, and sometimes crazy side hustles that are working for Nigerians in 2024. Let's get started. So hustle number 1 is voice over work for global platforms. Yes. So has anyone ever told you you have a nice voice, or maybe you just speak clear English? You can turn that into cash. Yes. You can visit websites like voices.com and ACX. These websites are looking for voice over talent to narrate audiobooks, commercials, and many other things. So you do not need a fancy studio, just a quiet room and your phone's mic to get started. For example, a guy in Abuja made $200 recording a motivational audiobook on his phone. He started with zero experience and now he's building a full-time career. So let me hear your thoughts. Would you consider selling your voice? Would you consider becoming a voice-over artist? Comment below what you think. What do you think about this side hustle? Side hustle number 2 is testing websites and apps for dollars. Yes. So have you ever visited a poorly designed website and you're like, who approved this mess? Well, companies are willing to pay you to tell them that. Okay. And here's the details. You can sign up on platforms like user testing or try my UI. Okay. They test websites or apps and they want you to give their honest feedback. So each test takes about 10 to 20 minutes and they pay approximately $10 to $20. So imagine you test out about 10 apps in a day. I'm sure you know how much you'd have made. So there's a student in Lagos who earns up to $300 monthly just from website testing. It is quick, easy, and does not require special skills. So how many apps do you use in a day? Imagine getting paid to test them before they are being released. Now, the third side hustle would be selling stock photos or videos. So do you take nice pictures on your phones, or do you live in a beautiful area with cultural landmarks? Then this is for you. Okay, platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, they buy high quality images and videos, and then they are also looking out for popular themes that include Nigerian culture, food, festivals, and everyday life, of course. So if you are good at taking very, very fantastic videos or pictures, this is a niche or a side hustle that you want to leverage on. There's an example of a photographer in Enugu who sold a picture of jollof rice for $50. Now she's uploading every picture, every photo she makes and she takes, and she's using it to make money. So that's like a passive income for her. So photographers in the house, this is a side hustle for you. Now the fourth side hustle will be becoming a language tutor. Okay, do you speak fluent English or a Nigerian language like Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, or any Nigerian language? You can get paid to teach it online. Yes, so there are platforms like Itaki and Prepel. They connect tutors with students worldwide. So you can teach English to beginners, or you can share your local language with cultural enthusiasts who want to learn about your culture or your language, and you earn about $10 to $30 an hour. There are friends and people who are teaching their languages, like a friend in Kaduna teaching Hausa to foreigners, and he earns about $500 a month working just a few hours weekly. So if you are a pro at speaking any of your local languages, Igbo, Hausa, whichever one, and you are good at it and then you know how to teach it, this is a side hustle you want to jump on. So hustle number 5 would be creating AI powered content or tools. So we all know that AI is taking over the world and Nigerians are cashing in big time. Yes. So this hustle is futuristic and super cool. Here's the details. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney to create content like articles, social media posts, or even custom designs. And then you sell these services on Etsy or Fiverr, or even to direct business owners that you know. Okay, so there are people who have used AI to generate either books or digital products, and they have made money from it. There's an example of a YouTuber in Port Harcourt who made over $1,000 selling AI generated children's stories on Amazon Kindle. Yeah. And guess what? He wrote them in less than 24 hours, of course, with the help of AI. So let me know about you. What would you create with AI if you had the chance? Please, I'm curious. Drop them in the comments below. So there you have it, 5 unconventional ways to start earning dollars right here in Nigeria. Which side hustle are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on any of these ideas, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. And of course, drop your comments. Let me know which one you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on. Okay? Thank you for watching. Do not forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.